What's up, everyone? This is Jay from the Crypto channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today's video, I'm going to be giving you an update on Cardano, one of my super bullish coins. Reason why I'm super bullish on it is because I believe in the protocol, I believe in the team that's involved in the project, as well as the sector that it's handling, and of course, the different partnerships it has. Now, before I get started, I just want to say that nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please, everyone, do your research on top of mine. Use my research as basically a lead to guide you to where to start looking. And yeah, always be doing your own research because that allows you to develop the conviction you need to fathom all these 30 to 50 to even 70% dips. And it does occur. That's normal in the crypto space. I've experienced quite a bit of it, and you know what? I didn't allow it to shake me out, and I've experienced big gains because of it. Now, mind you, I didn't get to play with all the volatility because I have some coins just staking in the side, making the passive income for me. And of course, I will be showing you that. Maybe not in this video, in other videos, but yeah, staking is the way to go. All right, so let's get to the actual project. Article. So smart contracts has been successful on Cardano's Alonzo Testnet. The very first smart contract on Alonzo, Cardano's public testnet, has run successfully according to a June 11 development update. Presently, the team of developers is in the middle of the Alonzo Blue phase. It is focused on developing the command-like interface, CLI, for writing Hello World style smart contracts. Now, keep in mind, the Alonzo hard forks, it's happening in 3 different phases. Blue is the first one in June, white in July, August is purple. There's going to be other colors after that, but those are the 3 main phases. In that 90 days, they're going to be phasing in different projects from Ethereum. And yeah, do expect the mainnet, which is happening in September, to be really amazing. Anyways, as partners and pioneers will be able to create basic scripts, Cardano will be ready to transition to Alonzo White, which is next month. According to Nigel Hemsley, IOHK's head of delivery and projects, they have to successfully prove they can submit, validate, and execute on-chain. During that phase, all produce components, which is the language they use to execute smart contracts, including the application backend, will be introduced. Companies like AtLabs, Elax, MLabs, Obsidian, and other partners are currently working on such use cases as token swap, liquidity, and stake pools, NFTs, and an exchange. Wow, there's a lot of utilities being given to Cardano, guys. So that 88 token, believe me, its current price right now might be a little pricier compared to where it was a couple months ago, but I do believe that it's still at its infancy stage, and I do see bigger numbers at the end of the year. But please, guys, don't quote me on that. I am not a financial advisor, and that is not financial advice. So yeah, the testnet will be fully public during the Alonzo Purple phase, which is in August, when all stake pool operators and Plutus pioneers will be able to join in. Now I'm going to show you basically the rollout plan. The Alonzo rollout plan, of course, is happening in different colors. Blue, June, white, July, purple, August. Of course, they have Alonzo red, black for the staging. And of course, September is when the mainnet will happen. And keep in mind, guys, people buy on the rumor and they sell the mainnet, or buy the testnet, sell the mainnet. That's just been the regular pattern I've been seeing. So do expect something like that to occur. But remember, that is not financial advice. So as you can see, it is the testnet is being done over a span of 3 months, which in my opinion is good because it allows them a lot of time to roll out or fix those little tweaks that they find along the way. Kind of see this as like the story of the turtle and the hare, where the hair was, of course, very fast. Got the head start, but got cocky along the way. So I see that as Ethereum. And then it slept, and while it woke up, it saw that the hair was right beside the goal line, and well, basically could not do anything to stop its win. I see Cardano as that turtle. It's taking its not sweet time, but is moving slow and steady. The fact that it's moving steady gives me great assurance and hope that all of Cardano's developers are doing things correctly. They don't care about being the first one. They only care about getting things done right at the very start. Because once you start rolling this out for the masses, you don't want to create that bad reputation at first. You gotta get that what was it? First impressions. You gotta make sure that first impression is good for the masses. Otherwise, investors are going to get flaky and move towards other smart contracts projects out there like Polkadot, Zilliqa, so on and so forth. You gotta do your research there. If not, hey, follow me on Patreon. I'll give you those lists anytime. Anyways, so yeah, do expect this summer to be slow and steady summer, moving towards the next rally, which is occurring around September, and that goes for the whole entire cryptocurrency space. Please, that is not financial advice, so do your own research, guys. One way you can do your own research is by following my channel. So subscribe down below. If you do find this informative, please do comment on what you think about it, as well as share amongst your friends and family as well. They would definitely appreciate you for thinking about them, and also giving them some video that can help them understand the new economy. All right, so for the past couple months or weeks, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but there's been an increasing amount of news or narratives towards cyber attacks. And we've had that U.S. pipeline get cyber attacked. We had that, was that big ship, that Evergreen or Evergiven or something like that. We had that ship hacked as well. So they are pushing that narrative towards more cyber attacks, guys. And also, one of the recent exchanges, Hotbit, got also cyber attacked as well. The funds are safe. However, the data was leaked out. I'm not sure what they're going to do with that data, but keep yourself safe regardless. And also, they have rolled out that narrative of the sun having its solar flare, and that solar flare is going to act as an EMP to basically shut down a lot of electronic grids. That's bad, because if you have your money inside the bank and you can't use the bank, what are you going to do with that? You can't buy anything. So it's basically useless. So if you have your cryptos in the exchange, guys, or maybe you have it in a soft wallet, I would highly recommend you looking into a ledger, like Ledger Nano X, like this one, or Nano S. See, Nano S like this one, because these hard wallets, they're away from anything internet related, or basically they don't require to be plugged in some outlet all the time. They have their own set of energy. You can turn them on whenever. Except, well, of course, Nano S, you gotta get that thing linked towards the computer all the time. Please keep your digital assets safe. You did work your butt off to get them. Do not let something like this pass your mind and have your cryptos being taken away by some Russian hacker, because they love blaming the Russians. I don't know why, but when it comes to New World Order, these bankers, we know who the biggest criminals are. We know who's doing cyber attacks. But yeah, keep your assets safe from them. And if you do want the link to the Ledger website, the shop.ledger.com website, do look in the description below. I will have it there for you. Also, keep in mind that I am an affiliate for Ledger, so if you do buy it, I do get a little kickback from it. But you know what? I see that as a small thank you. You don't pay anything extra, so don't worry. What you get is your digital assets are safe. That is the most important part. Also, if you want to understand the difference between Ledger Nano S and X, I have both of them. The Ledger Nano S only stores up to 5 cryptos. Realistically, it would only be around 3. That's just my opinion. It also depends on which cryptos you have in there. So if you are someone that has way more than 3 cryptos and you want to store it in one place, I would highly recommend the Ledger Nano X, as it has a little bit more space. Also, this thing is Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about plugging it into the computer all the time to have access to it. You can just do it wirelessly. So keep that in mind. It is a bit more flexible compared to the Nano S. And also, Ledger is not the only company out there that offers hard wallets. There's also Decent, Trezor, but you know what? You can do your own research there. Um, I am a fan of Ledger, and I'm only promoting them. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. If you did find this informative, guys, please do press like, share, and subscribe as well to help the channel grow. And that is all I have. Thank you so much for listening.